going to explore how to make carbon dioxide. So, first you need to take baking soda on a pot. Not too much. You need to take. You will see and you will understand how the measurement is. So see, 1 spoon. This, then give, and after that take the same measurement of citric acid with another spoon. The pack is very deeply, so I need some time of this for this, but it's okay. So I am very excited for this. So now we need to give water on it. Then with the help of another beaker, we are taking water and pouring over here. So, if you want color, you can pour. So, I am pouring with the help of a drop. I am pouring 2 drops of water in the water. See, in the water. So after that you pour this water and see the magic of carbon dioxide. Sorry, I don't understand. The water is, wow, this is carbon dioxide. This is so cold. Really, I don't understand the measurement. Carbon dioxide. Of course, friends, you need to give far from your nose, because this is carbon dioxide, not oxygen. So friends, see the magic. The water is not completed. I can give more. The reaction is complete, but that we see is very exciting, and for me it is very scary because it is coming. I don't like this smell, and when I am taking this air, it's not comfortable for me. So friends, I don't take the gloves, but you always need to take a gloves and then experience it, because it is not good for your hand also. I am washing my hands just now. Okay, and if you have this, you can wear it, protective gloves. I don't need it because I am taking it here and I am seeing from here. If you do like this, it is not right, but it is good to wear, but I don't need it, so I didn't wear it. So friends, today's experience was very great for me. I think you also like these experiments very good. See what's happening. I don't expect that it will be fail. Oh no, it is failing also now. Sorry. So today we explore a new one. So we all of our house has baking soda, and of course buy a citric acids for this good experience, and you need to try it to it is good to try very much, and you can explore many things with the help of this channel. So please subscribe our channel and like it if you like this video. So bye friends, and today's experience but very good, so I hope that you like this video. So bye bye.